Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Tanya. I am a senior PPC executive at Softtrix. Today we are back with another educational video. Today we are going to tell you how to check the cold data report in the Google Ads account. If you don't know how to check the cold data report in the Google Ad account, then don't worry. I will show you how to check it. So let's get started.
So first of all, log in the Google AdWords account, and once you are in the main dashboard of the ad account, then click on the campaigns, and after that you will be see right side report. So click on the report, and after that ads and asset, and you can find the call detail under the ads and asset. So click on the call detail, and after that you can find all the call details here. So this is the basically how you can get the data from the call details. So you can basically download as well from here and take the data.